What's up, Life is a Mission family? What's up? What's up? Happy New Week. Well, my people are about to show you, how criminals, will travel length and breadth. They sit and them study how to take your own, but not how to go and work for them own. Them just sit down and study how to take your own. So basically, if you don't normally save your money in your house, I say, stop saving in my house and I save it in my rubbish pan. But the rubbish pan there, rubbish truck can't see it for empty it. But at the same time, I rubbish uniting about down my bottom of money. Them study, you say you don't save it in your house. And realize, say, alright, somewhere it must have saved, so them start study you. And realize, say, in your rubbish pan, you save it. That's how criminals are. I have a little clip to show you with a robbery where them hold up like a bar, like a lounge. Guys, a big area, so it's mostly a lounge at pool table and stuff. With some gaming machine that you have nowadays, where the bar hole that them are use now because it take less space. The space where the standing one would take, if you have 2 of them there, you can have 4 of these present one in that same space. But those boxes contain money, and one compartment of the package with the money stored when you put it in the box. It was explained to me by a technician of the box them. So simply, you see the secret thing here, it can hold up to $500,000 a night. So you imagine, on a given night, especially a weekend, where say most people get paid and them barman will love gamble and stuff, I go at those boxes and them and make money. You just imagine. So same way, like how me I say it, same way the criminal them sit down and analyze and observe which bar the box them play more and whatsoever. So who have more money from who? And may I tell you, people them start make it a point of duty to carry a thing, crowbar, where I think it is illegal in Jamaica. In a sense, if police catch you with a crowbar after certain hours, you can go to jail. Because basically, if you can't explain that, say boy, okay, I work me I come from, I some work and can be proof I work here come from at certain hours and whatsoever make you have it. You can't explain why you have it at that hours or whatsoever and proven. So that's the reason why you have it. You can go to jail for it because that's something you can tear down any house. Crowbar, solid steel with a little hook like them tongue, something with the hammer carry. Where you put the nail in a crook and it have a little bend part where you put on a anyway and pop it off. So, you know what to do? Just continue to do the do. Like, share and subscribe to the channel. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Hit the thumbs up when you hit the video. Please remember the young entrepreneur college student. The link of our YouTube channel is in the comment section. Pin, give her a subscription, please and thanks. And the cash app is also pinned in the comment section. $, Life is a Mission TV. Alright, people. So before I show you those 2 videos pertaining to the boxes, I'm going to show you a little 1-minute video of a act of pture larceny where them capture a man to escape. Get to understand that these set of man going around and going at the people them yam field and potato field. The thief them van load of things, but 2 of them escape. I would consider that the 3 of them are very lucky because if 2 escape, them all 1. But them on the one of them all, I don't know, because when I see the video and see these wheeling machine men's, I was saying, come like them come on the scene too late. It come like when them come on the scene to them already accosted some more, we don't call it now, law-abiding citizen, accosted the man, arrest him and tie him up. So through that now, them not get that strength and the energy they know for really deal with them, because the last in Jamaica, when farmer hold and one intention them have, is to wheel them machete, And when me look and see the amount of machete man I come and a wheel machete, but through them they done have him on a wraps and tie up already. It's like the machete man them couldn't do nothing again. It's like them said, Lord Jesus, why me late? Why me couldn't early? You understand? So I'm going to show you a little clipping of him when them a tie him up. You know? And them a play out him bell. That's why them say no cure. You see them bad road and you see cure, you see them going like them at this and them at that. When the trouble take them ball out all where them don't know. You understand? So stay tuned for it.
Where you know him from? What time are you going to go? We're not going to go. How much time will you come pick up him with him? More than one time I pick up load. But I know this so Irish him over Monday. We pick up Irish him over squad. We pick up cabin in him. Where you come from? Boy, a thief. Christiana. And the bus boy run. Right up the first gas station. Christiana. Where part of Christiana? I know where his mother live. I'm not sure where his mother live.
Yeah, my people. These are the boxes. It's a new trend of the criminals. You know? Well, these are the new trends of the criminals. And as I said, I have a video to show you people. These boxes, you put your cash here, right? And when you put your cash here, it stores your cash, right? It's not like you pay the bartender, the shopkeeper, and then punch on the credit you want. So because of this, the criminals know that these boxes stores money, and it stores a lot because you have money. Them said can store up to $500,000 to just go into the machine, have a compact system that packed it in. Yeah. So these criminals know these boxes carry a lot of money. Rest of them in an era where them gamble very often. So the target is to go around and hold up the bar them and just dig them off of the wall and put them in a van and gone. You understand? Hoping that millions are there. So I have a video to show you people, so stay tuned. So just to show you the extra miles where these criminals go, and this is like a daily thing for them, you know, especially if these bars and they mostly target the bar them like in the rural area where you know say lonely spot, you know. Yeah, but them know say during the day it busy where money make. So them come when them know the owner for the box them not come clear them yet. So them know say yeah money must in them. Them not just dig them off, brought them and take out money, them dig them off of the wall because they want the money in it and them want the box also if you go sell otherwise. So this is how criminal go around, you know. Them not have no second thought about doing anything, or just about the money. Yeah man. So you're going to see this video and see the type of guns where the man them are travel with. Not just some little handguns. You understand? Rifle. Just to come tear off 2 boxes off a wall. To show you how coward them is, you know. If you're like a poor bartender now get piss up all herself and mess up all herself, all her pee come down when you see them the rifle there. I never want to show you all one bartender right so nowhere. Should I just get in that position the right now if she ever see them the rifle there, she piss up, mess up. All her pee that come same time. All pregnant should I get pregnant same time. If she ever see all something like that. Rifle. To show you how coward them is. Them now got rob millions where them can't take on by police or whatsoever. So criminals are just like that, you know. Prey upon the weakest link.
Take him out of there.
What did you
That's not even me know what me had there, bro. Me have an
Flat up that show with dollar.
yeah, man, right.
Carly, a shit push me having a hand in the youth.
Yeah, man, blood clot straight flush. You think somebody dead to blood clot? Yo. Where then they?
I tell you all lie. When me get shot, boss, you me
Vaccine man.
Passenger side.
And a vaccine, a step wagon, brother. You see me look, sir?
Watch out.
The man is fast, you fuck.
4 of them.
Be big one money having it.
So they say nobody no go around that way. He said I say one man run for that side, and that they said man will go on the side, they come in here so.
Man, you just back up in a yard, brother.
Hold on, them back up in the yard.
You can see man.
Wait, don't can't see no license plate.
Let's put them in right now.
I them little steal, you know.
No, man, they can't
They have
drive.
a car little blood.
See, man, you see them fucking up with them, you see?
I'm more man, there's a moment come out and see me.
What's that again?
They only come for anything this.
Clot. I box him. And try your fuck. Look at man, man, them look up in big old box.
See that man they come for, brother.
See what they come bill for.
Yeah, man, from car.
They put it in a pocket there, yeah?
I
turn up in my back there.
Nobody will call it.
God know that.
I will have pocket them inside.
I wonder if they know so they are hoodlum. God no.
Watch out, sing turn up in there, man. They see.
Not tell you that.
Me bum.
Alright, my people, so when you see the video, how these men go around with high-powered weapon to take nick and dime, run risks for a nick and dime, and me have to call them man a coward. That man I say no, them not coward, because if you say one of these boxes will hold 500,000, yes, it can hold up to 500,000. But I don't think a man ever clear one of those boxes and get 500,000 out of it. But it can contain up to 500,000. How pretty sure they are that these boxes, when them take off, well, that's why they really take the box them still, because them can't take the box. I think one of those boxes value up to 200 or, well, them drop now, so probably about 250,000 for one of them, you know, or 200. But when them just come down, you can get up to 350 for one of them. So that's why them walk and broke the bar them and tear them off of the wall and carry them, go sell them. You understand? So sometimes I wonder why these whole heap of high-powered weapon for these petty cash. You understand? And you know, well, you have a few, I can't say that, because of lately, we see we're going with the Brillium, where of lately, few man really brave up and do what them do with the Brillium. But the mass of them are still petty thief them. Nah, I run no risk out there. Go take big insure money. Not say I'm condoning criminalism, you know. But if you have big old rifle, you know which one of them the bullet there? And you want to come take a man box off of him wall for value 250,000. Or you want to come rob the bar, take 2 little liquor off a shelf and cook up a pack of cigarettes, put in a bag. Come on. What that? With big high-powered weapon. You know which one of them the weapon there? One of them the weapon the value more than the box, so he might take off of the wall. And if him lose that weapon during, you know, doing him crime, him better know say him go home to all him, go home him family might in a problem, because they might have to pay back for that weapon. Because that's how it run in that type of world. Alright? And as I say, I'm so lucky this is good. Pre the last in my teeth, yeah. Lucky. Him supposed to sleep on the same side where him sleep on like the night before him left to come thief the people, them things off of them ground. Anyway, my people, just continue to like, share and subscribe. You don't know as I tell you now, any little thing right now, I'm going to put it together and bring it come to know as a content, because we're there just 300, little over 300 short of the watch hours. Alright, so just do the do. Like, share and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Hit the thumbs up when you hit the video. Alright, cash up pin in the comment section. And Life with Gabby and Chev YouTube channel. Go give her a subscription, please. She a beg me hard for beg on, so me a beg on for her. Right? She want to reach 1,000. She want to see that, and then, you know, she knows that she have that so she can go and work on her watch hours during her half time when she have with her school and stuff. But probably she just wants to see the numbers and move to motivate her. Cause so me did state, you know, me don't want, when time I see my numbers and move, me motivated more. Cause me I say, what? Me have to go start, please more people know. Yeah, I'm gonna get more motivated to do videos and stuff. So I know it feel, I know what she me understand what she has said. But when you see your numbers stand up on your nah move, come like, you know, nah encourage you. Anyway people, thanks for watching again. Out.